the 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.